I don't even have a switch. I'm a shit sister. I'm hybrid.
Kia ora, hoa mānau mai, haere mai, whakatau mai. Welcome to the stream. Let's go. Join up into the stream. Join up in the stream. Everyone's coming in on Instagram. Oh, we got heaps of followers on Instagram. There you go. Tawaroa Kawana coming in. We're live on Facebook. We're live on YouTube. We're live on Instagram, Māori TV, My More Music, Facebook and YouTube. E hoa mānau mai, haere mai, whakatau mai. Welcome to the stream. We'll just check our technicals.
Shall I turn it off now?
Oh, good boy, let's go. Kia ora, brother, how are you?
Kei te ora, bro, kei te ora. A koe?
Kei te ora, kei te ora. Nā, hoi anō, e mihi ana ki a koe, e te manu ti ori o te rangi. E wete, tawaroa, te kai waiata ki runga i tēnei whakaturanga o tātou e ki ana ko Waiata Nation. Brother, congratulations. Tonight is your night.
Kia ora, brother.
Kei te pēhea.
Yeah, bro, kei te pai. Kei oho kei tēnei wai, mahi ana i te mahi. Mō te Ministry of Education. O mātou ko Nepia, ko Roto, ko Rio, ko Ben, ko tēnei nā, ko mātou kai Kuki, ko Jess.
Ka wai, ka wai. Kia ora koutou, kia ora o hope, mihi ana. Ahoi anō, pēhea wete, pēhea te wairua i te pōnei, e pēhea ngā kare a roto.
Oh, bro, e hika kānau ki te mataki taku episode me taku kiri ata i te mea. Kara noa kia kite. Nā reira. Koe nei te mataki tanga tuatahi.
Waiata Nation, so number 7.
Taku tino nama.
Oh, well, what was your how whakaro? Ko koe tētahi o ngā kaiarahi o ngā mahi hanga puoro. Me ngā mahi tito waiata nā reira, koe nei te wā, koe riro ki a koe. How was the experience? You can be honest too. It's all about honesty on the pai pai nei. This is our marae.
Nā I pai pau. Pai kia whiako o school. I was a bit overwhelmed at one point because I had a lot of hats on, a lot of roles.
Yeah.
But you know, got the mahi done, and holy, it's been a lot happening since then. Engari, ke konei tonu au, ke te ora tonu. So grateful to be alive. Grateful to have you around me.
Life's changed a little bit for you as of recent, but we won't get into that. But I think main thing I want to talk about, my bro, is your music. And there's been some big changes in your music. You're going in a different direction. Something that probably people aren't used to from you. How kore re pāna ki tō waiata me te kaupapa o tō waiata me ngā tūāhuatanga katoa.
Yeah, so mō tēnei waiata korokoro te pātara, I decided to step out of my comfort zone and do something a bit different to what I'm used to doing. So I'm used to focusing on my vocals and that side of things. But I wanted to focus on my knowledge of reo for this one. There's a lot of wordplay. So like you have to be quite, I don't know, onto it with te reo, I guess, if you want to understand a lot of the parts. But it was fun. I wanted to do something different because we have so many beautiful singers in the group that, you know, not that we all sound the same, we all have our own uniqueness, our own rongo mai whiti. Engari, yeah, just wanted to step out of the box, do something different, and it was fun to do it because, you know, I took something that's quite a sensation in our generation, the Vortex. Took the Vortex, then made it something, oh wow, gave it a Māori name thanks to my bro Mataya, Mataya Kepa. So there's that story about the korokoro te parata, but we changed it to, or he changed it to korokoro te pātara, because it's like a whirlpool in a bottle, pātara being bottle. And yeah, it was cool to have my kahi on board. As you know, ko ia te mea I waihanga I tērā mea te vortex. Kahi tricks. Bro, kei te mute koe. You're on mute.
He is the vortex legend.
Actual.
And bro, why did you choose the korokoro o te pātara vortex? Like, what was the inspiration behind going down there? Like, this is something that I'm gonna do.
Well, I'm a big believer that our tipuna would have wrote songs about things that were cool in their time. So I'm just writing about things that are cool in our time, in our generation. Anyone can write about, you know, aroha, te reo, kōtiro, things like that. But you know, I want to be writing about things that are cool so we can remember them in the future. And ka pātai mai ngā tamariki, what the hell is te korokoro te pātara? And, oh well, watch my waiata and you'll know. Ha! Oh no.
I thought it was cool that you just owned it, bro. You were like, okay, this is my direction.
Yeah.
There was like, and you even with your music video. So we did Thomas' music video, and he's like, okay, this is what I want. This is what I need. Like, let's. Here's the raupapa. Can you try and make it happen? And I was like, yo, let's just try. Mate hai te ngana.
Hey, bro. Koia.
Kei te haku I tēnei wā?
Kei oho pepo. Just doing some mahi for the Ministry of Education. Ko ngā tamariki. It's gonna be a pretty cool series. And yeah, that's pretty much it, bro. Mahi. And then more mahi. Ah.
And how's your much the same. How's your lockdown been? Where you been spending your lockdown?
Level 4 I te papaioia ho. I was in Palmy with my whānau. That was good. Good to be back with my whānau. Good hanging with my nephew. And yeah, then I went up to Rotorua. To Rotorua, then Huntly to do some mahi up there. And then came to Ohope.
And who's that in the background?
So we have Jess. She's our housewife. No. Nah, she's our cook and our mum. Nah, that's all our washing. That's Benma. He's one of our editors. We have Rio. He's like our cameraman and editor. And then over here, Haramai ra. We have my Abu and my Dabi.
Oh, there they are. There they are. Not many get to have a Waiata Nation release party. So, e te toko rua kei muri a tawaroa, tēnā kōrua?
Tēnā koe, brother.
Tēnā koe.
E mihi ana ki a kōrua, I runga I ngā tuahuatanga o te wā.
Koe oki, chief.
You too, my bro.
How's things down there? Don't let tawaroa talk.
Kei te ora tonu.
It's been mean, bro. It feels like my life has a bit of purpose now.
Mahi a te mahi.
And then party after party.
Nah, it's been mean.
Yeah, we've just been doing our mahi together, eh? Tautoko each other we can. Use all our gifts and our talents. Put it into mahi. Ihu one, and voila.
So this is a bit of a picture. I can see this tokotori. I need to take a screenshot. So whatever you guys are doing, and then I can see the whānau at the back. So I'm gonna put you on the spot. Sing us a waiata. The people are asking. The people are asking.
Surely.
Surely Sandy.
Oh!
Surely Sandy.
Voted right here.
Okay. Hallelujah. G.
And I'll throw another one out there. Rio has to jump into.
He's on now. He's on now.
There he is.
Oh, Korea tonight.
Hey, mihi atu.
Okay.
All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Ready? 2, 5.
Hallelujah. Kai wao na mano fai kororia ki te atua. Hallelujah. Kai wao na mano fai kororia ki te atua. Hallelujah. Kai wao na mano fai kororia ki te atua.
Yeah, that was on. That was on. That was on. Wow. So let me just take a moment in history to appreciate this moment. My more music, Stan Walker, Sons of Zion, Ahi Karoa, the legend, and our whānau, e mihi ana, e mihi ana. Wow. You guys just sent me to another world. Far out. Anyway, are you guys going to be watching with this show tonight? I want to talk about one thing with it, and this one's for you. Tell us about the music video concept, because it's a bit like different. It's different. What's inspiration?
Yeah, I don't know. It was just like, I wanted it to be fun. I wanted to make people think that drinking water is actually cool. You know, because our people drink a lot of fizzy, maybe alcohol too. Not pointing any fingers. No, you're just trying to make drinking water, wai Māori, a cool thing. And what better way to do that than the vorteke, because, you know, the korokoro te pātara is cool. And, like, there's no dodging that. There's no stopping kids from doing it. So let's encourage them to do it with water instead.
Rio, Neps, Stan, what's the buzz been like down for your fellas lockdown and down in Ohope at the moment? All good?
It is, bro. I think for all of us, we've actually probably been just as busy, if not busier, in lockdown. Different kaupapa, and, you know, just letting our whānau all know out there that we're all in this together and we're all going through the same stuff, and just,
Hard kaupapa.
Are you gonna have are you having a concert for us afterwards? You know,
we're starting up a new festival.
And I see the edits legend, because I've never met the bro Ben Ma, but I've seen his Instagram stuff, his mahi, his videos. I've seen the brother's videos because I'm a bit of an edit freak. I like the edits. So shot brother. Yeah. Appreciate your mahi. Okay, what's our next waiata? Keep us pumping.
Sandy under the bus.
Sandy, I don't mind. Come on now.
No mai hara mai whae Jess.
We got some whānau out there asking for atamahina all over the Instagram.
Low one?
Stand up. 100%. Shout out to your Ngāti Rono mai piki kōtuku.
Yeah.
Kia ora.
Should we do it?
Hoki PERE, o tēnei waiata.
Yes, Pere, you're
Yes.
on now.
So the composer of this Waiata is actually a member of my moa, if you didn't know. Anyone watching? Soft one.
Ko te ata maina, ata tuhi ata rapa, mai a le putanga, oh, tamanui tera. Ko te ata ora, mai a te po. Bawa te awa, I te waia, I te ama. Ko te ata mahina, ata tuki ata rua. Mai a te putana, oh, tamanui tera. Ko te ata wara, mai a te po. Kaua te a, I te waia, I te ama.
Te ata mahina. From the dubbies. Hoi anō, I think we're ready to wrap up this live stream here, but with it, kua riro te wā ki a koe, 8:30 p.m. e Hoama, Māori Television, Waiata Nation going down, Tawaroa, episode 7, te korokoro, te pātara, nā reire hoa, I'm going to leave it to you to finish us off.
Tēnā koutou katoa. Tēnā rau atu koutou hono mai ki tēnei live stream. E mihi ana ki a koutou. E tautoko ana ienei Waiata Māori katoa. Kaua noi hoko tāku engari. Mātou katoa o mai mua music. Mihi ana ki a koutou. I roto I te aroha. Tēnā rau atu koutou katoa.
Wai. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when the ocean is deep. We belong to you and me.
That was awesome. Alright, ka kite.
Nā, wāta mene hei anu koe. Nā, aroha nui.
Che che.